Welcome back, fellow adventurers. Today we're exploring the beautiful Troopers Hill in Bristol West, a hidden gem that's sure to captivate your senses. Join us as we uncover the natural wonders and rich history of this incredible place. Hey there folks, I'm Jill to take you on this exciting journey to Troopers Hill, located in the heart of Bristol West. Strap on your hiking boots and let's dive right in. Troopers Hill is a nature reserve and an iconic landmark that offers stunning panoramic views of the city. It's a perfect destination for nature lovers and history enthusiasts alike. Is a home to diverse range of wildlife, making it heaven for nature enthusiasts, from rare butterfly species to elusive birds. You never know what you might spot while exploring these ancient woodlands. Take a look at this view. Isn't it breathtaking? From up here, you can see the Avon Gorge, the river Avon, and even the iconic cliffs and suspension bridge. It's a photographer's paradise. Shh! Did you hear that? Is the sound of nature in its purest form. Troopers Hill is teeming with life, and if you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of a fox or a deer diving through the trees. Is it truly magical? And that's a wrap up on our adventure through Troopers Hill. From its stunning vistas to its rich history and unbounded wildlife, this place truly has its all. If you find yourself in Bristol West, make sure to pay a visit to Troopers Hill. In its experience, you won't want to miss. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on our next exciting journey. Until then, happy exploring!